Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer data from ZBD to Coinbase. Now the first thing I want you to do is just launch up Coinbase and then come here and click on transfer, click on receive crypto, and now we need to choose an asset to receive. So just for an example, let's choose Bitcoin right here and then select your network. I want you to pick on a Lightning, enter the amount you want to receive, and let's say it's $2.32 depending on how much you had. Alright, just click on create an invoice, and then I want you to just copy this invoice right here. So it copies this, and then now you open the ZBD app, it'll even give you this instructions. So what you basically need to do is on the app, just tap on paste and continue. And then it will show you this withdrawal page. It will have pasted the ZBD from your clipboard. And then you just slide this right here. Just slide it to the right. As you can see, it is processing. And there you go. Withdrawal has been succeeded. And now we have money in the ZBD app. As you can see, we've received Bitcoin. It's really that easy. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.